Thanks for choosing MynaParrot as your Big Blue Button service provider. Here is a user guide for you to start using our service. Briefly, in this video, you will find the following content. 1. Active Big Blue Button server in your LMS. 2. Use MynaParrot meeting system. 3. Monitoring board. 4. Recordings management. 5. Configure user limits. 6. Customer support. You can watch it one by one, or just jump to the session you are looking for. 1. Active Big Blue Button server in your LMS. To use Big Blue Button with your LMS, you need to get the host URL and salt key information for your LMS Big Blue Button plugin. You can find that information right after you log into our website. Here you will find that information. Then you can copy and paste that information to your LMS. We have a tutorial on how to configure Moodle. You can check it on the link displayed now. 2. Use MynaParrot meeting system. We also have a simple online meeting management system. You can create a meeting room, share the room link with your attendees, or even schedule a calendar event. Here, click this List Rooms menu. You will see all the created meeting rooms listed here. You can add a new meeting room from here. Click Add New. Then just fill in the form with the necessary information according to your meeting room requirements. You can also do further configurations like disable camera, microphone for attendees, or mute on start, etc. Then click Save, your room will be created. You also can use this calendar to schedule your meetings and send invitations to your attendees. Click My Event. Add a new event. Then fill in those forms according to your event. After that, just hit Submit button, then all of your attendees will receive the notification email. 3. Monitoring board. We have a simple but powerful monitoring board that can allow you to check the session status. Here we see, if you have live meetings running, then you can quickly have an overview of how many sessions are running, how many concurrent users are reserved, how many concurrent users are real joined, and how many concurrent users are left. Here, a kindly reminder, for the MynaParrot Big Blue Button service, we calculate usage based on how many concurrent users are reserved, not how many concurrent users real joined. For example, now, we have had 5 reserved, but only 1 joined. However, we will still calculate 5 as the usage. You see, the balance of the remaining capacity is 195, and my capacity is 200. Also, here you can check more in detail for each meeting record. Meeting title, meeting ID, capacity, joined, server ID, is running, meeting start and end time. We have a filter to help you find the meetings you are looking for, and even you can export them out as an Excel sheet. Then you can do further work on the report based on your requirements. If you click the meeting ID for the live session, you will get even further information on the meetings. Here, you will see a list of joined users and more status about them, such as if the user has the camera on or off, if the user has a microphone on or off, if the user has a moderator role or not, etc. 4. Recordings management. Click My Recordings. Then you will come to the recordings list page. You will see all your recordings here. We have a filter that can help you to easily search the specific recordings you are looking for. If you want to delete some recordings, check the recording record you want to delete, and click the Delete button. To convert Big Blue Button original recordings to MP4, you need to click the Start Process button here. Then you will see the status in progress. After we finish the video file generation, you will receive a notification email with a download link of your MP4 or WEBM format recordings. A kindly reminder, you need to download this converted recording video file within 7 days. Our system will delete those video files from the server after 7 days. It cannot be generated a second time via our system. 5. Configure user limits. Configure user limit for each meeting session is mandatory for the MynaParrot load balancer system. Error message, total limit of user exceeded. If you see this error while using the MynaParrot Big Blue Button service, then probably you did not configure the user limit. I know, maybe you never did this before, but for using MynaParrot Big Blue Button, you have to do it. If you do not set this figure, then our system will use 30 for each session as a user limit. Also, we use the number of user limits to calculate your total usage, not the real number of joined user. For example, if you have a running meeting and configured 50 as user limit, only 10 users joined. We take 50 as the usage. If you only have 50 concurrent users with us, then you cannot open the second meeting even if you only have 10 users joined. 6. Customer supports. Here is our customer support channel. If you have any issues regarding our service, you can easily submit a ticket here. You also can reach us via live chat. For any urgent issue, you can reach us via this WhatsApp number. Apart from that, we also have a variety of tutorial videos and articles. You can find them here under each category. Okay, thanks again for using the MynaParrot Big Blue Button service. I hope you enjoy it. We keep adding tutorials video on LMS related software. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for being notified when a new video is released. Thanks.